Tonight, many lawmakers deciding not to attend the State of the Union address. New Mexico representative and her guest among that crew.
Her other guest, an Epstein survivor, attended with other survivors tonight. KMAR Local 4's Blas Guerrero explains why they say no matter where they were tonight, their message still matters.
The trip to Washington was personal for both Elizabeth Stein and Carmen Pacheco Munoz, who were invited by New Mexico Congresswoman Teresa Ledger Fernandez, each representing communities they say are being left behind. Stein is a survivor advocate connected to the case of Jeffrey Epstein, and Pacheco Munoz is interim CEO of La Casa Family Health Center, which provides care across rural eastern New Mexico.
Trump said that prices are coming down and that he didn't want to hear about affordability anymore. But I think that when we think about this issue of how much groceries cost, how much utilities cost, how healthcare is torn away from us in the big, beautiful bill.
For Pacheco Munoz, she says cuts to federal funding could mean fewer services to community health clinics and even closures in areas where medical options are already limited.
Medicaid cuts will affect not only our patient, but our organization, because it will cause increased uncompensated care and force a lot of New Mexico health centers to close their doors. And we are the safety net for our patients, so that would be devastating to our rural communities.
Stein is using her moment in Washington, D.C. to call for transparency and accountability, saying survivors deserve answers.
Seen over and over where the DOJ has redacted our information about potential co-conspirators, yet exposed survivors' information and details. The way that the files have been rolled out have been in such a haphazard way that it's really difficult to understand what you're looking at.
Instead of attending the president's address, Ledger Fernandez and Pacheco Munoz will spend the evening meeting with families and advocates and keep the focus on what she calls the real impact of the federal policy. Stein attended the State of the Union with other Epstein survivors. Live in the studio, Blas Guerrero, KMAR Local 4 News. Andy Mari.
Blas, thank you. Ledger Fernandez says both guests were invited to bring real-life perspectives from New Mexico to Washington.
She says their stories highlight concerns about rural health care access and accountability for survivors.